Hey guys, welcome back. You know what? I really, oh, this is Lily anyway. I'm in Tweed at the moment, beautiful spot. But I really want to share with you how so important it is to get out and see the world, or just see the world. To me is just Australia at the moment, coming from New Zealand, and I lived in Perth. I've lived in Melbourne, and I've just come out here. I've been to Sydney for a few days and I loved it. I wasn't actually a fan of Sydney, but I've changed my mind now. Just seeing a lot of the places there. It's absolutely just gorgeous. And so here I am now in Tweed, and I just feel like I have so much time to myself where I can just enjoy and take in the moment. I think that's what a lot of us need to be, present. And wherever we are, we need to be present in the moment. And right now, it's just me, myself and I in this beautiful spot at this beach. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe that there's hardly anyone out here. But I guess most will come out later on. But I love this spot. I love where I am. And this is absolutely just lovely. I'm taking in the day, I'm taking in the moment. And I'm really enjoying it because I just think there's just life to be lived, and just being on your own sometimes it's good for you, to take in the quality and the beauty of life and the nature of it all. And we have such a busy life we lead sometimes that we forget. You just need to be still just for the moment and take in your surroundings, the environment, and really be one with it. So this is me again, just letting you know how wonderful this special day is to me. It's beautiful here in Tweed. Catch you later in my next video. This is Lily. Bye for now.